For decades, space exploration was a contest between nations. Most famously, the United States and the Soviet Union. The first space race gave us Sputnik, Yuri Gagarin, and the Apollo moon landings. These achievements were powered by government ambition and global dreams. But the universe, and our approach to it, has changed. Today, a new space race is underway, not between countries, but between private companies. These companies are building their own rockets, chasing their own visions of spaceflight. Innovation and ambition now fuel the race to the stars. Two American giants lead this new era: Boeing and SpaceX. Boeing, a century-old legend, helped build the Saturn V and has been a trusted NASA partner for decades. Now they're writing a new chapter. SpaceX, a bold newcomer, aims to make humanity multiplanetary. This rivalry is more than business. It's a clash of philosophies. Boeing stands for legacy and careful progress, SpaceX for rapid innovation and daring risks. Their contest isn't just about rockets, it's about shaping humanity's future in space. Who will lead us into this new era? What will our future among the stars look like? The answer lies in the outcome of this new cosmic contest. The stakes are higher than ever. The next chapter of space exploration is being written now. Boeing's name is synonymous with flight and aerospace achievement. From early biplanes to the Saturn V, Boeing's legacy is woven into American history. When NASA needed a new way to reach the International Space Station, Boeing answered with the CST-100 Starliner. The Starliner was designed as a safe, reusable capsule to restore America's independent access to space. After the space shuttle retired, NASA relied on Russian rockets, an expensive and humbling dependence. Starliner was meant to change that, launching American astronauts from American soil. Boeing's approach was traditional proven methods, established supply chains, and a cautious pace. The world expected Boeing to deliver a reliable spacecraft just as it had for generations. Starliner became a symbol of Boeing's enduring leadership in a rapidly changing industry. It was more than hardware. It was Boeing's claim to the future of space. The mission was clear: restore American pride and capability in human spaceflight. The stakes were national, and Boeing's reputation was on the line. The world watched, waiting for Boeing's next giant leap. The road to space is unforgiving, as Boeing's Starliner learned in December 2019. Its first uncrewed test flight suffered a critical software error, burning too much fuel and missing its orbit. The capsule landed safely, but the mission failed to reach the International Space Station. Investigations revealed deeper software flaws, potentially catastrophic if left unchecked. Boeing's reputation for reliability took a hit. The setback meant costly delays and a loss of confidence from NASA and the public. Boeing had to pause, fix the issues, and prove Starliner's safety all over again. Meanwhile, SpaceX surged ahead. The failed test was a humbling reminder: even giants can stumble in space. Legacy alone isn't enough. Resilience and adaptation are essential. Boeing's challenge became not just technical, but about regaining trust. The Starliner's journey turned into a test of perseverance. The company had to learn from its mistakes and rebuild confidence. The stakes were higher than ever. The world waited to see if Boeing could rise again. While Boeing relied on tradition, SpaceX burst onto the scene with a radical vision. Founded by Elon Musk, SpaceX aimed to make humanity a spacefaring civilization. Their revolution: reusable rockets. For decades, rockets were single-use. SpaceX changed that. The Falcon 9 was built to launch, land, and fly again, slashing costs and transforming the industry. After many failures, SpaceX landed a booster in 2015, then made it routine. Reusability made space more accessible than ever before. SpaceX's culture embraced rapid innovation and learning from failure. Their agile approach contrasted sharply with traditional aerospace caution. The Falcon 9 became the world's workhorse, flying more missions than any other rocket. SpaceX didn't just join the space industry, they reinvented it. Their success proved that bold thinking could achieve the extraordinary. The old rules no longer applied. SpaceX's rise forced the entire industry to evolve. The cosmos had a new contender. With Falcon 9's success, SpaceX set its sights on human spaceflight. Their answer: the Crew Dragon capsule, sleek, modern, and fully autonomous. In May 2020, Demo 2 launched 2 NASA astronauts from American soil for the first time in nearly a decade. The mission was flawless, reigniting public excitement for space. Millions watched as Crew Dragon docked with the International Space Station. SpaceX made spaceflight cool again, inspiring a new generation. Crew Dragon's success established SpaceX as the leader in the new space race. While Boeing worked to fix Starliner, SpaceX was already flying crews for NASA. Their innovative approach delivered results and restored American pride. The mission marked a turning point for NASA and the future of exploration. SpaceX proved that fast-paced innovation could be safe and reliable. The new era of commercial spaceflight had arrived. The world was watching and dreaming again. The rise of SpaceX and Boeing has transformed NASA's role. Once the sole builder and operator, NASA now partners with private companies. Through the Commercial Crew Program, NASA buys rides to space, focusing its resources on bigger goals. This shift lets NASA pursue the Moon, Mars and beyond, while industry handles routine missions. NASA sets the standards, companies innovate to meet them. The result: competition, lower costs, and faster progress. Having both Boeing and SpaceX ensures redundancy and reliability. For private companies, NASA is a crucial customer, enabling sustainable business in space. This partnership is creating a vibrant space economy. SpaceX is already flying regular missions. Boeing is close behind. The public-private model is a win for science, industry, and exploration. NASA's new role is not a retreat, but a smart evolution. Together, they're building the future of space. For SpaceX, the International Space Station is just the beginning. Elon Musk's ultimate goal: a self-sustaining city on Mars. The vehicle to get us there is Starship, a massive, fully reusable spacecraft. Starship is designed to carry 100 people and all the cargo needed for interplanetary settlement. Built at SpaceX's Starbase in Texas, Starship's development is fast and public. Failures are lessons, not setbacks. Each test brings SpaceX closer to Mars. The rivalry with Boeing pushes both companies and the industry forward. Boeing's caution ensures safety. SpaceX's ambition expands what's possible. This competition accelerates progress and lowers costs. The dream of humans on Mars is no longer fantasy. Thanks to this new space race, it's within reach. The future of humanity is being shaped now. The next giant leap is closer than ever.